I haven't had one of these since I was a kid. A little sweet, a little tart, but it's not what you think. This is a Twisty stick. It's made with real fruit. How'd we get real fruit in a straw? I'm glad you asked.
The Tamara Twist, a lifestyle show with an emphasis on the lighter side. With segments from food, to travel, to crafting, to home.
This classic childhood confection is little more than a sugar delivery system, but make it at home and you can lessen the sugar and boost the nutrition. To make them, you need sugar, citric acid, and fruit. Freeze-dried fruit, that is. Freeze-dried fruit is frozen, then pressurized to remove moisture, but vitamins and fiber remain. Just 100% fruit. It ends up light and crunchy, and for our purposes, easy to pulverize. Put the fruit powder into a bowl, toss in 1½ teaspoons of citric acid, add 1/4 cup of sugar, blend. Next, fold and glue the bottom of a paper straw. Fill the straw using a funnel. Fold and glue the top, and your Twisty stick is done. When your kids eat this treat, they'll be getting some vitamins. They can also be used to make flavored drinks. Just add to water, say, at a party. Mix into carbonated water for a refreshing poolside beverage. Add a splash to wine for a strawberry spritzer, or vodka with mango. A vongo, if you will. Be careful with these guys if you know what I mean. So there you have it. Twisty sticks, real fruit in a straw. See you next time. For more information, visit us at tamaracentral.com.